Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
Start by preparing your collard greens. In this video, I will show you how to make collard greens with pork neck bones. First, wash them meticulously under cold water to eliminate all dirt and grit. Next, carefully remove any thick stems or yellowed leaves, ensuring only the best parts are used. Finally, chop the greens into manageable 1-inch to 2-inch pieces, preparing them for the cooking process. This initial step is crucial for a delicious and clean dish. Now let's prepare the star of our dish, the pork neck bones. Begin by rinsing them well under cold water to ensure they are clean. Then season them generously with a blend of salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a good amount of garlic powder. Next, brown the neck bones in a large, heavy-bottomed pot for about 10 to 15 minutes, creating a rich base for the greens. This step adds depth and flavor. With the neck bones browned, it's time to build the rich flavor. Pour in 4 cups of savory chicken broth and 1 cup of tangy apple cider vinegar. Add a small pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for a good 2 to 3 hours. This extended cooking time is essential for tenderizing the meat and developing a deeply flavorful pot liquor. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Carefully add all of your chopped collard greens to the pot, gently stirring them down into the rich, simmering broth. Cover the pot again and allow it to cook for an additional 45 to 60 minutes, or until the greens are wonderfully tender. Before serving, taste and adjust the seasonings, adding a little more salt or pepper if desired. Serve hot and enjoy this comforting, flavorful dish.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.